How to fix no enhancement tab in sound settings on Windows 11. First, you have to go to the start icon and do a right click. Now from the list above, you have to select Device Manager. From the list below, you will see sound, video and game controllers. You just have to expand on it and then go to your main audio device. So mine is this Realtek audio. What I have to do is do a right click on it and go on to select Update Driver. It's going to ask you how do you want to search for drivers. From here you have to select Browse my computer for drivers. Now you'll see an option, let me pick from a list of available drivers on my computer. You just have to select this. And under Model you have to click on High Definition Audio Device. Now you have to click on Next, then confirm that you do want to complete this action. Once you have finished the entire process, you just need to now restart your device. Now if you head to your sound settings, you should be able to see the Enhancement tab. Hope I was able to help you out. Thank you for watching.